First of all, a very good morning to all the students, and we are actually meeting after a long time. And Happy New Year to all my students. And let's begin. Today we are going to have a revision of the chapter, and our chapter is Microsoft Word. We have already studied about Word. Today we are going to again do the revision of the chapter. So let's start with the revision. Okay, please everybody, you should be sitting in a proper position. Your back should be straight and you should be in a proper way to sit. Okay, so let's begin. I'll be telling you again the way to open Word. First of all, you have to click on the start button. You all have to click on the start button, and after clicking on the start button, you all have to just go on Microsoft Office. Where you have to go? You have to go on Microsoft Office. After clicking on the Microsoft Office, okay, you have to go for Microsoft Word. See, this is your Word, and we have started our Word. Whenever you open Word, this is your first screen which we open. This is your first screen. Okay, so this is your first screen. Please everybody pay attention towards my screen. I am showing you the screen as well. Okay, see, now the topmost bar, it is your topmost bar, it is known as title bar. The topmost bar is known as title bar. Okay, I will unmute Anant. Anant, please tell me, what do we call the topmost bar?
Ma'am, title bar.
Very good. Okay, we call it title bar. Okay, now let's come to next thing. What is it? On the title bar, we are having one thing that is known as quick access toolbar. On the title bar, we are having a thing that is known as quick access toolbar. Okay, it is your quick access toolbar. In it, we are having three buttons. What are they? One is a save button, one is a undo button, and the other is a redo button. Okay, Ishita, I have already told you that we are doing the recap of chapter 4, that is our word. Okay, so you don't need any book when I am revising. I am sharing my screen. Don't worry about it. I'll show each and everything and then I'll explain. So at that time, you don't need book. Okay, so this is your quick access toolbar, which I was telling you. See this where my mouse is moving to the left side. This is known as your office button. This is known as your office button. Okay, so these are our office buttons. So let me ask once again. I'll unmute. Vivan, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
On title bar, see this is the title bar. On it, we are having which toolbar is this?
Ma'am, undo.
Undo button is there, but which toolbar? I was telling you the toolbar name. Toolbar का name बताओ. It is quick access toolbar, Vivan. You have to say that, ma'am, it is quick access toolbar. Okay. Now, this is your office button. Ishita, I have unmuted you. Tell me, what do we call the topmost bar?
Topmost bar. Ma'am, title bar.
Very good, beta. It is title bar. Okay. Now, what we will do, we will come to the next one. It is our tabs in which we are having a different options. Now, let us write something. We'll be writing something. Let us write the heading. We will write the heading. We are writing on myself. Okay. Now, after writing it on myself, what will happen? You have to write points. I'll write. See, I'm writing it. Now we'll be working. I want this myself to be changed. मैं चाहती हूँ कि ये myself थोड़ा big हो जाए. Okay, so that I would be knowing that where I am. So what I'll do, I will select it. See this I type, my mouse has changed to the I. I will take this I and I'll select it. Click the mouse and I will select it. See, after selecting it becomes in blue color. Okay, Ishita, check your network connections. It will come in blue color. And see, there is a font style where I will change the size. I'll select the size 26. Okay. Now I want to make it bold. I can make it bold also. And if I want to change the style, I want it Arial black. I will change the style also. So this is the way you change the heading. When ma'am ask कि आपको अपनी heading change करनी है, अगर मैम बोलें कि आपको अपनी heading का size 16 करना है, तो इसको select करो, इसमें जाओ size में and 16 पर click कर दो. Your heading size would be changed. This is how you change your heading style. Okay?